We have with us the head coach of the Reggae Boyz, Hallgrimsson. Coach, the squad has been announced for the Copa America this summer. Talk to us a little bit about the squad that has been selected.
There's not many surprises in the selection. It's more or less the players that we have been playing last year and a half. A group of players that have done pretty well for Jamaica. It was a little bit different. The rules from Common Ball for Copa America, the rule change is that normally it's a 23-man squad, but in this case, both in Copa and in the Euros, coaches and federation can name a 26-man squad. We thought a 23-man squad is enough for Jamaica. Normally, the playing time for a few players is not much in a competition like this. So we went for a 23-man squad and opted to have 3 senior players as an optional players if they would be able to join, 2 for coming from injury. And yeah, so that is how we decided to do it, to select a 23-man squad, and then to have a player like Andre Blake back, coming from a surgery on his knee. I think it would be really good for the squad if he would be in one form or another. He's a captain, he's a leader in this team. It would be nice to have him on board, whether he is fully fit to play or not. Same I can say about Amaribel, a very experienced, good player in the squad. So it would be nice if we'd make the squad at some point. For them, it's a long shot, but we opted to put them in the squad in case we would go all the way to the end of the tournament. So it would be nice to have them to support the group in the end. And the same, we thought the same about Leon Bailey, if he would want to come. And in his case, he decided not to want to play for Jamaica. That's his decision, and that's every player's right to refuse to play for the nation, and he opted to do that, not to play for Jamaica. End of story for me, absolutely end of story. Now I would like just everyone to focus on those players that want to play for Jamaica and want to represent Jamaica, and let's put our focus and support to those players.